Hey Vashanmare, dedication for that phone call. We are dancing, but we are getting wet as well. Because you know Indian roads how they are. अरे अरे ओए कितने हैं भाई? So hello my lovely people, a very new place to start off with. Actually I had to do this because Babes was very dirty. A lot of updates lately. The tires have been upgraded. Likely 3 weeks since I've upgraded the tires. It's another day with some little bit of work at my workplace as well as in my personal life.
Let's go.
After the wash, it's very mandatory to ride slow and never apply diesel for your brake pads or the disc pad. Never ever ever. There's some sort of layer which forms on the disc as well as the brake pads, and then you're fucked.
खत्म.
Wow. कैसा है रे boy? Hey Vashanmare, dedication for that phone call. Probably a very important call maybe. You never know. I hope I've turned on the 360. I don't know because it is charging as well, no? Oh, it was recording. Sorry guys, sorry.
Forgive me and forget me.
And the weather in Goa is very unpredictable. The sky is very blue now, along with a little bit of clouds here and there. You can see some small patches of the roads being wet, and that's exactly what has been happening for the past few weeks now. It is the wedding season in Goa, and lokange sogling kazre paad re baba. It is like a rain dance now. We are dancing, but we are getting wet as well.
दिल garden हो रहा.
And I've been falling short of making content because of my work, because of some other things. पता नहीं consistency कब आएगी.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
लेकिन देखते हैं. The way I used to post every week, every Sunday, or every some weekday I used to post, but I used to post. That is not happening. दुख होता है यार मुझे.
बुरा लगता है भाई, आप लोग भी जानते हो यार.
But there are good days coming. I've aligned a lot of stuff for you guys to see and witness. Just need a proper time, you know, to channelize everything in life.
आदरणीय सभापति महोदया.
But I must say, the Trace Red, I don't know the name of the tires, bro. But Race Moto's tires are giving a whole lot of confidence to me on the corners as well as on the wet roads as well, because I've ridden them on the wet roads now. Thank you Floyd for giving me this suggestion. But honestly, honest take on the tires, they're very good. The company claims 10,000 kilometer range on these tires, but I don't know. Let's see, because you know Indian roads how they are. These tires go well with the R15 and the KTMs. So in case you have to upgrade to a good tire, then these ones will be a good choice.
Oh, okay.
It's good to see there are no traffic lights today. Maybe because of less traffic here. I don't know. Good thing for us. Okay, gotta go slow in the market area. Nikhil, come on. होश में आ भाई. इतना fast नहीं जा सकता यहाँ पे. Actually, I have recently known that even our helmet plays a very good role and a very fair role actually in the wind blast. On this helmet, 90 kilometers per hour feels nothing, but on my Ignite helmet, it does feel something. The sun is also too harsh. Sunscreen check, but garam is aata. I am getting some squeaking noise from my shocks. I don't know for what reason it is. And another thing, I don't know if Bajaj.
Hey Prabhu!
Oh shit, he's on a very bad part of the bridge because it is like a blind spot. So I was telling you guys, my footrest, like there's a small part like aligned to the footrest which keeps it in place, otherwise it just goes forward. I'll show you guys when I stop. I don't know if it is with all Bajaj bikes or it is specifically with the Dominar, and that product is so small it is not available at the showroom. अरे अंकल मैं साइड नहीं रहा हूँ मरे. अरे ओए कितने हैं भाई?
ये भगवान क्या जुल्म है.
It is what today? Oi, Wednesday? No, Thursday. It is Thursday today. Still there is traffic in Margam. Wow, surprisingly. आता आमका parking सोचे पट्टले, and it is very difficult to get parking in this area. Some work over here. चला रे, begin चला रे. This is mostly the area for four-wheelers parking. Oh shit, what am I talking, dude?
साला कुछ भी करता है.
We'll see. Okay, there's parking here. Let's go. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. But let me show you guys something before that. It is this part I'm talking about. See, it's a little bit moving forward because there's no stopper kind of here. Here, see. This is a small part. This rubber here, no? It wears off over time. Okay then. See you guys.
Later.
And look, guys. Just the way I was telling you, the weather conditions in Goa are very unpredictable. So let's go to the next stop. What do we have to do? I have to go this side. Sorry, guys. Say hello to the mirrors. Oh, they look good, huh? Self-appreciation is necessary, okay? Some fresh breeze coming in. I'll have to say alvida to you guys for maybe an hour because got some work in the office which I previously told you guys, and we'll be riding home back very soon. Wow, there's a natural spring, huh? Before getting to the parking lot. Let me remove my ND filter here. Okay, keep it safely. It doesn't fall. I hope it doesn't fall. I love the grunt in the basement. Ooh, shallow then. Shalom.
2 hours later.
Now for some reason I lost my balaclava. I don't know where it is. Me being clumsy.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ.
I lost my balaclava somewhere, and that was a very new one which I had bought.
पैसा बर्बाद.
Shit. I always have the habit of going through here because on the circles mostly it is a roundabout you need to take, but over there it is not a roundabout, it is a pillar. Okay. I need a nice lemonade but because of my cold I don't want to have that as well. I need some fluids basically. I should probably drop down my sun visor now because it's quite sunny. So most of the things are done. I just have to buy some toiletries for myself because I'm traveling tonight. When it suddenly gets cloudy, there's always a fear of rain, and I can see some clouds in the sky there, and I don't want to get wet. My laptop is also there, and I don't have any raincoat. This kind of lighting, meaning this kind of cloudy weather, is perfect for riding. Early mornings, this in the afternoons, and evenings, it is always time to rest and end your rides mostly because you need to avoid rides at night. But scorching sun and riding in that, man oh man, can't take that. So that's it for today. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and मिलते हैं किसी और वीडियो में. Till then, let's take this turn. Okay, pretty confident about it. Till then, peace out and more gas.